the one, and let's explore it together in a more significant way. So talking about introspection, it is a very brilliant activity basically, because it makes you stay positive in your hard times, and it helps you in knowing that what you are, who you are, and why you are here. So, and moreover, it can be said that introspection gives you better understanding of yourself in some way or the other. So, or also it creates a sense of clarity in your minds about yourself, your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions. It can be many things. So this is the impact of introspection. Here a question must arise, that why do we need introspection? Why? What is its need in our lives? So basically introspection is needed so as to look inwards, to know what you are, or we can say that to add some values to ourselves. And these may be the things, and the other thing may be to create self-awareness about ourselves. So these are the things for both, and there are many things where introspection works like icing on the cake. And you can observe all around you that those people who believe in this introspection, they tend to show a very focused and calm attitude during their work, whereas others who lack this habit of introspection or self-reflection, they tend to show very frustrated and unfocused kind of attitude. So this is the impact of introspection. This is the difference that introspection creates. And this simple practice teaches us to get best out of ourselves, our people, our organization, and it can be anything. Dalai Lama's absolute thought that when you think everything is someone else's fault, then you will suffer a lot. Surely you will find yourself in more trouble. But when you will realize that everything springs only from yourself only, then that day you will learn both peace and joy. And one thing here that must be noticed is that this realization is possible only when you go for introspection. It is often said that introspection gives you chance to judge yourself before anyone else can judge you. So I think that it is correct. This has been correctly said. If you are unable to understand that, then I will give you an example to get the better understanding of this. Suppose you are going for a walk, you invited your friend for a walk, and during your walk you gave a toffee to your friend, and after having that toffee, your friend throws a wrapper on the ground, and at that time you ignored that. You did not think about it much, and you just ignored it. But after some time you start thinking that did he do that thing right or wrong, or should his act bother you, or should you remain quiet so that your friendship may remain stable, it may not get affected. Ask yourself these questions or in your mind, and ask answers of each of those questions to yourself. Main thing is this, that you have to ask answers of those questions. When you will ask answers for those questions, you might get answers of some of the questions, but if you are not getting, then first go home and find a very peaceful and calm place where there are no disturbances and you are alone sitting busy in your thoughts. So this is the need for introspection. We need a very calm and peaceful place. So after thinking for a reasonable time, you will get the most of your questions answered. And if still you are facing problem for getting answers, then don't leave them unanswered, because that would mean that you are cheating on yourself. So try it. You will surely get. I am confident that you will surely get. So after that, when you are done with all this, you will reach to a conclusion, or a very decisive conclusion, on each and every act of yours, where you will know each and everything, that why you did this, or why you did not do this. So this whole process is called introspection, where we analyze our thoughts, our emotions, or feelings, or what we said before. So this whole process of analyzing is called introspection. And believe me that once you will start getting all of your questions, all of your those questions that you ask from yourself, once you will start getting answers of most of the questions, you will realize that after that the whatever the external world judge you doesn't affect you thereafter. So introspection will really help you. I or earlier said that it has a very deep impact. So you must practice it, I suppose. I think I have covered now most of the points. So today we learned about what is introspection and what is its impact, and we also learned that why do we need introspection, and we also shared a story where we discussed the whole process of introspection, or how it is did. So I think that you will learn and you will try to implement it upon them. And I will advise that you should start practicing introspection, because it is really important for all of us. And as early you will understand this, you will get benefited. So choice is totally yours only. And if you have any doubts, or if, any problem, then don't forget to mention them in the comments. I will try to resolve them wherever it is possible for me. And I wish you best of the luck to you for your journey of introspection in this year, in the future. So that's all I had for you today.